Hello everybody, another day, another flight. It's about 5:15 in the afternoon, very cold day, well not cold, 72 degrees, which is cold for some Floridians. Here's the remote control, hope you can see it. This will be the left stick, this will be the right stick. So I will explain on how the helicopter will move around as you move the sticks. So right now I will set the gyro, see look at the top green light, set the gyro. Blink, red, green. I mean it is set. I also have a new landing pad, which is double the size of the original one. Hope you can see that. So it'll be easier to land, but I'm not sure I want to use a wood as a landing pad or not, because it's less giving when you land incorrectly and the blades might hit it. But anyway, we will take off and fly, see how it goes. I like to take off slowly like a real helicopter instead of flying straight up like a rocket. And something happening, it's not flying. Maybe I didn't take off fast enough. Here we go. There we go, not too bad. Nice beautiful green light in the sunset. Nice hover, optical flow is on. So on the left stick, it goes up and down, which is your height. When you push up, it goes up higher. When you push down, it goes lower, like that. And then when you push the left stick to the left, it will rotate left. When you stick it right, rotate right. Just like that. The right stick, when you're facing forward, you push forward, it goes forward. You push left, it goes left. You push right, it goes right. Now, you know, when you face forward, it's pretty easy to fly. And you just drive it or fly it like how you think. Push left goes left, push right goes right. But when you turn around, and you're not familiar with the stick skill, you push left and it goes right, and then to your perception point of view. So if you're not familiar with, you know, flying with the stick, you should get an RC car, you know, practice on the ground and learn your orientation of how you steer the car. That definitely will help you when you fly. The more practice you get, the better you get. Even for myself, I get confused sometimes on which way the airplane goes. But, you know, it is an expensive toy, so don't crash it. You crash, you have to fix. Well, hopefully you can fix it. And when you fix it, hopefully it'll be back to normal. But sometimes, you know, it's not easy to fix, and it will vibrate and look like a shaking machine in the air. A good practice I like to do to familiarize yourself with an airplane or a helicopter is trying to do figure 8. So they give you, you know, some good stick practice. If you can do figure 8, you're flying, then you get pretty good stick control. Almost lost it to the fence. That is a beautiful helicopter. But if you're new to this, I mean, you can fly it, but you know, I suggest you buy a really cheap helicopter to practice, so that you know it doesn't hurt as bad if you break it. And then you know when you get a lot of air time under your hands, you can upgrade to a decent one like this and fly around. I like this one a lot because you know it's not too big and they're not too small. If you buy a small one, it will move around a lot in the windy day. But you buy a big one, you need a lot of real estate to fly it, because it gets from one end to the other end really fast because it's so big and so fast. But this one, I think, is a good size that you can fly in a decent backyard, basketball court. You don't have to worry about running out of space, and it can handle the wind a little bit because the motor is pretty strong. The helicopter is pretty heavy, so it can handle wind a little bit better. Alright, let's see if I can land this baby. Let me move back a little bit. When you get close to the ground, you get air pushing down, and then the blade is sucking in air at the same time. So you get a lot of, I guess, downdraft. Oh man, right on the edge. Well, I guess you didn't tip over, so that's not too bad. Alright, let me move it forward again. This helicopter can give you a 10-minute flight, no problem. You start giving you a beeping noise from the remote saying that you're getting low in battery. My first helo was a Blade CX2. It was pretty durable, but after a while, after so many crashes, the main shaft is bent, so the thing was vibrating like crazy when I fly. But then it's a dual coax. I mean, it's a single coax, blade on top, blade on the bottom, no tail rotor. So it's not like a true helicopter like this, or scale-wise in looks. But it was fun to fly, fun to learn to maneuver in the sky. But these days, technology is crazy. You get a helicopter like this, beautiful scale, pretty easy to fly. I think a lot of you guys will enjoy buying this and flying it. Alright, let's come in for landing again. We need to practice landing because, sometimes when you let them roll up that low in battery, you can land. Hey, look at that. Much better. Gonna go pro one day. Just ease up on the throttle, just let it fly up. I love flying low. It's so beautiful flying low. I love the navigation lights, so pretty. Alright, let's see if it can land again, or was it beginner's luck on that last one? On the pad, not bad. Hope you guys like that. Thank you very much for watching my video. I appreciate it very much. Please like and subscribe when you get a chance. And you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you very much and have a good day. Alright, see y'all.